Hi there, welcome back to闪颖 Blinglish. In one of my last videos, some of you were asking me to share some healthy recipes that I have been eating and making myself. So I have just worked out, and I usually work out on an empty stomach with nothing but a cup of coffee. And after that, maybe within half an hour, I will have some kind of a light breakfast. If I have time, I will make overnight oats. But today I didn't make any overnight oats. I just want to put something together quickly, which is also very healthy in the morning, especially for after workouts. You want something that is high fat and also high in protein. So you will be able to replenish your lost energy and also help you build more muscles. So I'm going to make a yogurt bowl. And I got my little bowl ready. Let's see what ingredients I'm about to put in there. So I made this yogurt. Making yogurt is really easy to do. So I will teach you maybe in another video the recipe of how to make yogurt. So I'm gonna put a few spoonfuls of this as the base. Might not look like a lot, but after you put a bunch of things in there, it's actually quite filling. Here comes the fun part. So I will usually put on salted mixed nuts. And this is blueberry flavor protein powder. This is completely optional. If you don't care about building muscles, you can put any other kinds of powders in there as well. For example, cocoa powder, dark chocolate. This kind is 100% dark chocolate. It's completely bitter. I'm just going to put a few in there. Now, for the sweetness, you can definitely put honey in there, but I'm putting some really sweet dried fruits in there instead of sugar, so I'm going to do that. So I'm putting some big raisins, dried cranberries in there as well. I'm feeling a little indulgent today, so I'm gonna put a little bit of carbohydrates in there. These are cheese crackers. They're made of completely natural ingredients and a lot of sesame seeds and black rice and so on and so forth. You can absolutely choose to put in any other kinds of alternative ingredients in there as long as it's natural and it does not have a lot of sugar content in it, and then you're good to go. You're not going to feel very stuffed or sleepy after this because it has a good amount of vitamins, carbohydrates, healthy sugar, fructose, and protein and fiber in there. Noodles or fried stuff in the morning, those are not very good for your energy levels and you will crash very quickly. Cheers! If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and follow me so I can make more videos like this to share. And remember, you can always go to my shop, private message me, click the link below, or go to my video account and become one of my members. I'll see you guys next time in 闪颖 Blinglish 小颖课堂. Bye.